Now the next step is the definition of exclamatory sentences and its examples are mentioned here. You can see sentence which expresses state of joy, sorrow or wonder is called exclamatory sentence. Mean to say it express strong feelings, strong emotions, to express the sadness, happiness, surprise or regret, etc. There are the words that are also examples are mentioned here. You can see hurrah, we won the match. Alas, she failed the test. Wow, what nice weather. These are the examples and the definition of the exclamatory sentences. And now you can see, students, there are some formulas or structure or construction of the info to make the indirect speech. There are some rules, you have to follow these rules to make your indirect narration. Following rules are to be kept in mind to change exclamatory sentences into indirect narration. The first point is an exclamatory sentence used to express strong feelings, strong emotions like sadness, surprise, or happiness. The next point is set to the word set to of reporting speech will be changed into the following emotions like exclaimed with joy will be changed to is used to express happiness, exclaimed with sorrow is used to express sadness, and exclaimed with wonder is used to express surprise. The next point that is used to finish the commas to make indirect narration. So we will write that the word that between the reporting and reported speech to remove the commas. The sentence ends with exclamation mark, mean to say in the simple exclamatory sentences we will use the exclamation mark at the end of our sentence, but in indirect speech it will be marked after exclamation words like hurrah, wow, bravo, oh, aha, etc, etc. The words that are used to express happiness or sadness, mean to say emotions, are finished in indirect speech. These are the words i.e. hurrah, alas, oh, aha, bravo, etc. These are the formulas or structure of our exclamatory sentence, how to make your indirect narration of how to convert the direct into indirect narration of exclamatory sentences. Now there are the following words will be changed into, I mean to say exclamatory words will replaced after that replaced said with hurrah, exclaimed with joy. We will use exclaimed with joy. Then wow will be changed into exclaimed with joy. What? Exclaimed, what a beautiful weather. Exclaimed with surprise, well done. Exclaimed with applause, mean to say appreciation, appreciate. Sorry, exclaimed with regret. Alas, exclaimed with sorrow. You will use these words to make your indirect narration. To remove these words will be replaced in these in the exclaim with joy, exclaim with joy, with the surprise, applause, regret, sorrow, etc. Now students, you can see there are the sentences, some sentences are mentioned here. You can see examples are here. He said, alas, I left a perfect job. So in the sentence in direct speech, alas is showing sorrow. He exclaimed with sorrow, mean to say sad. Sad is going to change into exclaimed with sorrow that he left a perfect job. You can see here we have used in our indirect speech exclaim with sorrow to remove the word alas. After that, exclamation mark will be removed, and to remove the commas we have used here the word that. She said, "Hurrah! My brother has got the first position in the exam." She exclaimed with joy. You can see hurrah is the word that expressing happiness. Exclaimed with joy that her brother had got the first position in the exams. The students and hope so. You know very well about the, as I last time on the board I told you about the changes, sudden changes of our sentence, like first, second, third person, how you will use first, second and third person in your indirect speech, and what is the use of is, am, are, had, has, etc. According to our reporting speech, the word reporting speech we will use here has, had, or present, past, or future tense. He said, "Bravo! The captain did a did a wonderful batting." He applauded the captain and said he had he had done a wonderful batting. Mother said, "Ah, I have lost my only son." Mother exclaimed with sorrow, mean to say her feelings are in form of sorrow, sadness. Mother exclaimed with sorrow that she had lost her only son. He said, "Hurrah, we won the match." Exclaimed with joy that they had won the match. Now he said, "Oh, he has returned." He exclaimed with joy that he had returned. Has will be changed into had, because our reporting speech, the said our reporting speech is consist on past tense. That's why we will use had in the place of has. He had died. He said, "Pooh, grapes are sour." Exclaimed with hate that grapes were sour. He said, "How clever he is." He exclaimed with surprise that he was clever. Mean to say,